My most humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Lord. Sai Ram to all. In 1992, as per Swami's instructions, I had taken leave and I was at home, and I had just got into my construction business. I was doing a couple of buildings and I was happily going for darshan and staying at home. I knew one Dr. Patel and his wife who were very good friends of mine from the bank. This Dr. Patel was a very old devotee of Swami, and he had his big hospital in Kottayam in Kerala. He was very famous for curing cancers. He had a unique blessing from Swami that whenever a cancer patient came to him who had not undergone radiation and chemo, Swami would suggest some very simple remedy, and this doctor was able to cure that patient. At least he assured them of 10 or 20 years of normal life after taking his treatment. There were thousands of patients from around the world who were under his treatment. This doctor one day came to the bank and he asked for me. He had huge deposits in the bank, and every time he came, I would renew them and help him with all the banking work. So he asked, "Where is Jayashree?" And the attender in the bank said, "Madam has left the bank. She is now constructing buildings in Puttaparthi." So he came to my house and he met me. As you are aware, it was in 91, 92, after Swami started the super specialty hospital, that there was this big land boom in Puttaparthi. Properties that cost like 1,000 rupees for a cent went up to 2-3 lakhs a cent. And this doctor had a 15 cent beautiful property with the road to the east and north. Corner property on the main road, just a few minutes down from the Gopuram gate, on the way to the Hanuman temple. So he came to my house, and there were a lot of people who were trying to get this property. He came to my house and sat down, and we had tea. And then he said, "Jayashree, I know you have become a builder. Why don't you buy my property?" So I immediately said, "I cannot afford it, doctor. You know that I don't have much money and I've just got into this business. I'm doing things, taking it a little slow." So he said, "Never mind. I will come tomorrow morning after bhajan and you tell me your decision." So I said, "Fine." And he left. So that evening, when I was sitting in my puja room talking to Swami about what had happened, I asked him, "Swami, how can I buy this property? I cannot afford it." And I heard Swami say, "Offer him one small amount, see what happens. You don't lose anything and you don't lose face." So I thought, okay, when he comes, I will do what Swami suggested. So the next day morning after bhajans, around 10:30, 11, this doctor and his wife, they come to my house. And as we are talking, he asked me, what did you decide, Jayashree? How much are you willing to pay for my land?" So I told him, "Doctor, I already told you I don't have much money, but I can perhaps pay you 10 lakhs, but only in installments and in 3 years' time." He had one condition, that in one corner of this 15 cents, I should build him a two-story house, because this doctor had two wives. He had a Gujarati wife and he had this Malayali Dr. Prabha. So he said, "I want two flats for both these wives so that they can come here and stay separately." So I said, "That is not a problem. As I'm doing my construction, I can easily build your house also." So that condition was fulfilled. And then he asked me again, "What do you offer me?" And I said, "I can only give you 10 lakhs, and that too over a period of 3 years." I, fully expected him to say no to this. But what he did was he said, "Give me a piece of paper." And he took a white sheet of paper that was on the table, and he took a pen and he wrote on it, "I hereby hand over my property of 15 cents for a total price of 10 lakhs to be paid in 3 years. Blah, blah, blah. And he gave me the paper. I probably had my mouth hanging open, I couldn't believe it that he would give me like this, that too on a plain piece of paper. He said, "This property is yours." Probably when he saw the expression, the unbelievable expression on my face, And then he said, "Okay, I will tell you why I'm giving it to you." So he said, when Prabha and I, we were walking out of the South Indian canteen, it was about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Darshan is over long back. Nobody is on the darshan ground. When we were walking past the canteen, we just looked up and Swami was there on his first floor black balcony. And he looked at us and he raised both his palms in Abhayam. And immediately Dr. Patel told his wife, "Prabha, I don't know what Jayashree is going to offer me, but I'm going to give this land to her." I think Swami has some uh, special plan for this property for her. And he had already decided that he was going to give it to me, and that is how he agreed for this small price of 10 lakhs with the condition to build him his small house on one corner of that property. So this is how I got this wonderful property on the main road. And a few nights later, I have a dream of Swami, and he gives the beautiful name for it. He says, Sri Sai Plaza. Build me a plaza. Show the world what Swami has done for you. From where to where he has lifted you in your life. And that is how the name Sri Sai Plaza came. Of course, I had the land only. I didn't have the money to do anything. I did not know also at that time what Swami wanted me to build on it. Later on, I came to know that many people from Puttaparthi went to his hospital in Kottayam with cash in a suitcase, like 40, 50 lakhs, which is the normal rate for that wonderful property. And they tried to convince him. They told him, "Jayashree has no money. How is she going to buy this property? See, we have come here with 50 lakhs cash, ready cash. Please take it and give us that property. You cancel the deal with Jayashree." And this doctor, this gem of a person, he said, "I am not interested at all because the property is not mine any longer. I've already given it to Jayashree. You want to buy that property, go meet her. If she is willing to sell it to you, give her the money. I have absolutely no interest. I have given her my word. It's her property." This is how the land for Sai Plaza came to me with Swami's blessings. Thank you for listening to my stories. Thank you for your support. May Bhagwan bless you all abundantly. Om Shri Sai Ram.